This is verse 8 of the 14th chapter, Gospel of Matthew. We're in the midst of the drama that Matthew reports concerning the dance that was performed by the daughter of Herodias, who was the present wife of Herod Antipas, but of course who had, in the opinion of John the Baptist, married illegally. Herod Antipas, Herodias had, and for that reason it had called forth censure from John the Baptist, which had him wind up in Machaerus, which was a prison, according to Josephus. And apparently the party that's being described here took place at that venue. And so we have this young woman who has danced, probably in her late teens. Don't know the character of the dance, somewhat speculative, but one way or another, in an extravagant display of appreciation for her performance, Herod promises to give her whatever she asks, and that brings us to this statement. So we have hey. This is the definite article. It's feminine, so it would mean the. In the feminine, here it probably means she. It can be used that way, idiomatically. So, but she, probibasthesa. This is from probibazo. Biazo is the underlying verb. It means to force something, to push, to crowd in. It's actually distantly derived from the word bios, which means life. Not quite sure how that connection was drawn, but this means to force, as in forcing into a crowd or something like that. The pro, of course, in the beginning means this had happened in advance. It's an aorist active or aorist passive participle. Feminine, singular nominative, going along with the article here at the beginning. So she, having been beforehand forced or asked urgently, almost as if it implies that the girl was probably less willing to do this, but at the instance of her mother, she complies. And so, having beforehand been pushed into this, hupo, this is the preposition with the genitive here, tes, matros, by the mother, autes, possessive pronoun of her. So having before been pushed a little bit by the mother of her, that's Herodias, who was, of course, the wife of Herod Antipas. Now we have what she says, dose. Dose is from didomi, give. It's in the it's the imperative here. So second person singular, aorist active imperative, give. Moi, dative singular, to me. Feisen, this is from fe me. It means to say. It's a little bit more dramatic than the word lego. So give to me. She says, present tense. Hoda, indeclinable adverb, means here, combined with the following prepositional phrase, epi, epon, and with the dative here, pinaki. This is from pinogs. It means a plate, a charger, it's sometimes translated, but it means a platter, something like that, a good-sized plate. Give here upon a platter is the force of this. So it's right here, right now would be the kind of the flavor of it. Tain. Tain is the article in the accusative. Tain kephalein, the head. Ianu of John, to baptistou, the Baptist. So, of course, this faithful demand, give to me right here on a platter. The head of John the Baptist, and obviously assuming that the event was taking place there where John was imprisoned, that entire demand could be realized in rapid order, which is in fact apparently just what happened.